Hi, I'm Bill with Sigma Estimates. With this video, I'm going to show you how to set the RSMeans City Code Index. With your estimate open, click on the Front Page tab. When the front page opens, click on the RSMeans tab. When the RSMeans tab opens, the year will default to the year of the database that you own. If you own multiple databases, click on the list and pick the one you want to use. If you want to use the U.S. national average, open that box and click on Yes. Those values will now be read into your project. If you want to select the geographic area where you're working, click No in the Use National Average box, select the state that you want to work with, click on click on the city, and click on the zip code, and click on Update Project. Your estimate is now updated with those values. If you want to use the RSMeans overhead, click on the button. Click on the Imputed Cost button to add overhead to any of the categories you have in your estimate. Click on the Contribution Margin button to add profit to any of the categories in your estimate. Now you know how to adjust the RSMeans City Code Index. For further information, go to www.sigmaestimates.com.